A few moments later.
Today we're
Sana
here in Nambalan.
all.
Mayantok Tarlac. Nambalan. Nak. Today we're here in the river. We're here in the river. We're here in Nambalan Tarlac. Nambalan River. There you go. Look at the water flow out there. Yeah. It's my daughter. Okay. Yun eh. Tawa? Talang na eh. Oo. Sige, tagtunaw. Bang ni gurgurap pa. Ihala na dito, ihala na. Oh, sala mo na, Brad. Sala mo na. Mayaw na pangasin.